this is a quick overview of the SheFi Discord, which we call the SheFi Cafe. Discord is the virtual community platform for all of Web3. So we have a SheFi Discord so you can gain confidence navigating this community platform before joining other ones in the Web3 space. We call it the Cafe because we'd like to think of it as a virtual internet cafe. Before you become a full SheFi member, you will be dropped into the Nebula chat with other SheFi applicants. This allows you to meet your fellow potential SheFi members. Once you've paid or received a scholarship, you will be verified and added to the rest of the Discord channel. Once you join, I suggest selecting Browse Channels in the top left and seeing all the channels open to you. Select the ones that look most interesting. I've selected all of them, but you don't have to opt in to all of them if some of them do not apply to what you're looking for. Next, jump into React roles. In this channel, you can select where you are in your crypto journey, your pronouns, the role you have in crypto, whether you're looking for a job, fun things like your zodiac sign, special interest clubs. We have a DPIN club, investment club, marketing club, white paper club. Select one of these roles and you'll be added to those channels and your SheFi season. We have announcements for all announcements coming from the SheFi team, links and FAQ. You can find every single link you need here. Official links, class recordings and materials, cohort profiles so you can see your other members' profiles, Telegram channel, chats, and social media. Truly, if you're ever wondering where a link is, it is here. Then we have official SheFi events that we post every week, community events where you can share any event happening in Web3, and quest board and check quests. Check quests is where you will check quests available to you. Quests are for another demo. Then we have a community hub. This is channels like General, where you can post anything. Hype goals and brags, where we want to hype you up, so brag away. Doing it scared, to let us know what you are doing scared, what risks are you taking, and members are here to support you. Follow, for socials, you share and you follow. Memes for laughs, furry friends, because your furry friends are so cute. Wellness, witchy vibes, off topic for music and other off topic items, and a leaderboard where you can check your ranking for quests and how active you are in the Discord. Then we have a support hub for questions and suggestions and feedback. We have a Web3 hub, everything Web3, jobs, career, and advice, where you will go in, share jobs, say you're looking for jobs, ask for advice with your resume or anything you need related to a job. Useful tools and everything AI. Finally, we have the clubs at the bottom, a DPIN club, investment club, Web3 marketing club. You can select those in the React roles channel if it looks interesting to you. And then we have geographic roles. You'll go to this channel to select where you're from and have specific channels with other members in your geography. That is a quick overview of the SheFi Discord. If you've never used Discord before, be patient with yourself. It'll get more intuitive over time, and you can always ask for help if you need it.